Hi, good day. Welcome to the Sunny Tube. Today I'm going to show how to consolidate any number of Excel files to one file. Here I have created 4 files for your reference. Total sales Excel is empty. Please open the Excels. Here I want to consolidate all 3 Excels to the last total sale 1. Here I have put dummy data. Click the place you want to consolidate. Go to the data, consolidate, and set the sum. Here you need to tell the Excel where are the consolidate that you need to make. Click the area that you want to consolidate. Better if you can select more cells as well and add that one. Then again delete the previous one and add the second Excel and mark the area that you want and add. Like this way you can add any number of Excels. After adding all the Excels that you need, then you can press OK after clicking the left column as well as putting all ticks. So when we go to the total column, total Excel, all the data get consolidated. A 2000, B 2600, like that. If we take the Excels that we as a cross check, I'm copying to a one format in the manual way to show that how this works. Here I'm doing an extra work to show you how this happens. Now see, if we take the customer A, 1000 plus 150 plus 550, which is 2000. Like this, you can consolidate any number of Excels. This can be very useful when using your day-to-day activities. While expanding, we can get the summary as well. Hope you enjoy the session. If you'd like more this kind of tricks, please add your comments. Thank you.